Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In my today's video I'm going to show you two makeup items that I recently received. I teamed up with wordmakeup.com and they are a web store where you can get amazing beauty products, makeup products at very affordable prices. They have very famous brands such as Urban Decay, By Terry, NYX, Sigma, Dior, Chanel, you name it, they have it. Too Faced, all your favorite makeup brands, you will find them there. What excites me the most is the possibility to have new makeup to play with. As you guys know, I kind of stopped wearing that much makeup since I became a mom, and especially with eyeshadows. I don't really experiment with eyeshadows anymore. I rarely even wear eye makeup. But when I received these two items that I picked from wordmakeup.com, they just reminded me how much I really enjoy playing with makeup and creating all these different eye looks, which basically makes me feel a little bit more put together and just happier and more confident. So in this video I wanted to share what I picked. I also already wrote on my blog about wordmakeup.com. They really have amazing brands at affordable prices, and now I can see the quality is really amazing, guys. Like seriously, I already got to play a bit with Urban Decay Heat palette that I chose. The quality is amazing, the pigmentation is amazing, the palette is so well made. I have 3 naked palettes that I bought at Sephora, and now I have this one, which is my 4th Urban Decay palette, and I can really tell the quality of this one is just as amazing as the other ones that I have. There's really no difference whatsoever in pigmentation, in the quality, in the long-lasting power of those eyeshadows, so they really have my recommendation. So this is how the palette looks like. It's the famous Urban Decay Heat. Urban Decay palettes are known to be very popular, especially in the YouTube beauty community, and as you guys know, I have 3 of them, so I was on the bandwagon, should we say so, buying these palettes and all, but then I stopped because I said I think I have enough of eyeshadow palettes, but now I get to play with these colors here and they're so beautiful. This is how they look like. They are just earth tones that I am loving, and I just love the fact that there are a bit more brick colors, a bit more red tones in these shades, so they are just so pretty. Obviously you will also get a little brush. I always loved these brushes from the Urban Decay palette. They are just so amazing. I don't really want to use any other brush. The palette is so well made, really sturdy, really nice quality. I only have the best words to say about it. So that's great because I get to play a little bit more with my daily looks now. With this naked heat palette you cannot go wrong, even if you don't really know what you're doing. You can mix and match the eyeshadows and you won't get a disaster. You will really always get very beautiful eye color because all these shades complement each other, and you don't really have to be a makeup expert in order to create natural everyday looks, but even more dramatic looks for going out, for special occasions. For example, now that we are in a holiday season, I think this is just the perfect palette to have. So if you want to go at wordmakeup.com and check out their big selection of different makeup brands, you can definitely go ahead. The shipping took a little bit less than a month for me to get the items, and they came from China to Croatia. Everything went smoothly, and the palettes were really well protected with bubble wrap and everything, so everything came in a perfect condition, nothing was damaged, which was also very important to me, obviously. And the next eyeshadow palette that I wanted to show you is by Terry. I picked this one, it's Eye Designer palette. It really spoke out to me when I looked it on the website. It looked just really beautiful. By Terry makeup is high-end makeup. You guys know it's quite expensive, so it was really nice to find it there for more affordable price. It comes in this luxurious pouch. And then this is the palette by Terry. This one is in number 3, Magnet Eyes. And then you open it and you will get these beautiful 10 colors. Why I picked them is basically because you can create these dramatic smoky eyes, but you can also create everyday looks. I really like the green as well that they have, and they have some blues and shimmery white and basically every possible color that you need to create numerous different looks. So I'm really starting to enjoy again wearing makeup, even on everyday basis, especially when we go somewhere out, you know. It's just very fun, and that's why I want to thank wordmakeup.com for just making me again all excited about makeup items basically. So guys, I can really recommend this web shop to you. I hope that you will check them out. If you want to, you can also check out my blog post where I suggested you some more makeup brands that I really liked and makeup products that I think are great to have in your makeup collection. You guys know that I have been in this beauty community for a long period of time. I've also done a lot of makeup tutorials in the past, so there is a little list on my blog of the makeup items that I find are really great to put into your makeup collection. Okay guys, I hope this video was helpful. Please press thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, share it on your social media with friends and family so this video can have better views and my channel can grow. And I'm really excited and happy about filming videos for you guys, so I hope you can just support me a little bit and share the love.